Hello there, crafty friends. We have a super exciting announcement for you this month where you can get created and win prizes. Can you guess what it is? Our creatively inspired contest series is back. This time we want you to get wild with washi. Whether you are enjoying card making, scrapbooking, journaling, home decor or any other mode of crafting, this contest is for you. Submit any crafting project made with at least one Altenew washi tape. We will be choosing 10 winners to win a grand total of $350 in prizes. Are you up for the challenge? Head on over to altenewblog.com or click on the link in the description of this video to enter the competition. Hurry, we are only accepting entries until November 16th, 2020. We are so excited to see where your creativity takes you when you get wild with washi. Hello there! Did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye!